Hello and welcome to today's video. We'll be discussing NetSuite ERP and its benefits. To begin with, we believe that NetSuite is the answer to modern challenges of ERP. It's sustainable, it's secured, it offers great cost incentives, it's scalable, it has a great community, it offers verticalized solutions, and it's open to new platforms through its APIs. Lastly, it's highly customizable, and the customizations you do will follow through the NetSuite's next upgrade. Let's have a look at traditional business models with different bricks, and each brick can be composed of sub-bricks. For example, CRM could be composed of marketing, sales, and after sales. So traditional business models will use free softwares to actually manage these CRM requirements. Same thing for finance, where you could have a solution for general accounting, another solution for procurement and approval workflows, and also a system which would include, for example, the management of employee timesheets or employee expenses. Now, integrating all of this seems quite simple at first, but when we look at the multiple subsections of each, it becomes apparent that integration becomes a nightmare. Whenever there's an upgrade, then we start seeing breaches in security, we see flaws, we see software stopping to work, and all the work that you had done before in terms of implementation and integration might have to be redone. So as a solution to this problem, NetSuite comes in as a single Oracle database hosted, maintained, secured, and upgraded by NetSuite themselves, with all the ERP, CRM, service, e-commerce, manufacturing, and all the bricks and sub-bricks that you might need to run your business. Each of these bricks obviously are optional. You don't have to use all of them. Of course, NetSuite is there to be the one system to manage all your business with. NetSuite provides access to various roles with secured access to the data and the processes that they operate. These roles are already published and available on NetSuite, but they can be customized to include or remove elements to them. So here are the major elements slowing NetSuite's momentum. The first one is the fact that NetSuite is a broad solution to a lot of problems, and the CEO's vision tend to be a short-term one. They base their decisions on their director's needs, and a marketing director might not be really interested in having a system that does everything else. It's up to the CEO to decide on the cost-cutting element, the efficiency element that NetSuite proposes, to decide to get everyone on board and to implement NetSuite brick by brick to make everyone happy and everyone work on a single system. But this is very difficult when you have directors who already are using best of breed solutions and who do not want to lose control over their data. The third part is the staff. Obviously, the staff's availability to focus on a new system and learn a new way of working sometimes is very difficult to find. So this is why we propose consultants sitting at your offices or with you on the phone so that you'll be able to carry on doing what you do, but where the consultants will be able to note down all your processes and replicate them on NetSuite without impacting your work time. The fourth and final thing that is slowing NetSuite down is the quality of the suppliers. Some suppliers are great NetSuite partners with very good expertise on siloed technological solutions. For example, you would have partners that are very good at warehouse management for distributors and wholesalers. Some of our partners are very good for service companies, and some of those are very good for marketing and other operational functionalities of NetSuite. But to make the most value out of NetSuite, you need to have suppliers that are good across the board. So I hope that this video made sense, because what we discussed today was that using anything but NetSuite would be using at least 5 systems for your ERP, systems that you would need to host, maintain, secure, replace, and restore, and 3 systems for CRM at least, and another system for reporting. I hope that it makes sense also, and that you understood that with NetSuite you'd get rid of all of these problems. You'd not be running an IT park anymore. You'd be running your business just by paying one subscription fee to NetSuite every year and using Cloud at Work or Business at Work or your local NetSuite experts, you would have people ready to help you just a phone call away. If you want to have some more information or are interested in considering NetSuite, just give us a call or reach us out by email and we'll be glad to help you out on this project. Thank you and speak to you later. Goodbye.